Ride along part 2, let's see if y'all mess with it or not. Let's do it. It's hot, bro. It's like, oh, let me put my seatbelt on. I'm tripping. It sound fast, feel fast, don't be moving fast. Hey man, follow your dreams, bro. If you want something, go get it, dog. None of this would have been possible. This car, this channel, my career, none of this would have been possible. I wanted this junk since I was small and a little kid. So it was just like, gotta make it happen, dog. If you want something, go get it, you gonna make it happen. Damn. My advice to you, man, do whatever make you happy, do it to your full potential, and don't take no excuses, bro. Especially coming with this car stuff, bro. I did all this with a CVT transmission, Nissan Sentra, dog. You ain't gotta have the sports car yet. You ain't gotta have the boosted car yet, bro. Work what you got. Work what you got, and they gonna happen every trip. Went from a CVT transmission to a truck. I just built the swing to I finally have a real drive car and a manual, man. You want a manual, bro? Work for it, dog. Wouldn't have been possible without y'all. I appreciate y'all so much, man. We had 300K, we're gonna run it up. 500K, 1 million. We got big things coming up, big teams. But let me know y'all want more videos like this, man. Just me like driving, cruising, and talking to y'all, dog.